sit back and let this moment slip away. Cause I got my eye on you. I see you looking over your shoulder. Let me make my way over. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, you're the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? All I really want is for you to back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see you in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. Baby, what you gon' do? Cause I don't wanna lose it. Come on, keep it moving. Excuse me, Miss Lady, how you doing? Your body looking right, you're the type I like and I'm pursuing. Can I get a little closer so I can get to know you and exchange names and things before the night is over? You wait on it, cause it's alright. Do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout it. Jeans tight, high heels, this is how you make me feel. Lips lost, teeth white, apple bottoms, let me bite. Spend the night, catch a flight. We can do what you like. Feeling right, you smelling good. Let's get this understood. Is that something you got to me? Like you're the daughter of Frankie Beverly. That's the way you move, the way you cool. Fan of your little secret. She doing freaky stuff. Shout it, got me geeked up. Like they wrote, I got played up. Let me show you street love. Back it up, go and put your weight on it. Cause it's alright, do what you wanna, make me believe it. Ooh, I wanna see it. In it, shout it, in it, shout it, in it, shout
Come on. Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl. Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I spent. Pay me back when you shake it again. The dawn, all the time with all the shine. You small time, I ball with mine. Blinks, minks, Bentley is all with mine. My jams bump out to the borderline. UK hot with it, blue spots with it. Every continent love when I spit it. Corners the blocks, even the cops feel it. Brothers on lockdown on they cot feel it. It's real in the field, the last Mohican who survived in the streets and did something decent. Now I got plans to buy the whole hood. Legit now, I ain't got a lot of no judge. I make hits now, money I flip now. Hood fella, every honey wanna kiss now. I lit up my neck, pinky and wrist now. So girls everywhere, this how we get down. Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl. Jordan, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again. Play to win, girls in the club moving. I get them real hot, my songs seduce them. I flow, I'm so mysterious. Nas and Nasty's the alias. Everything platinum, I glow. Cadillac trucks pulling up to the dough. On top, out the car, lounge at the bar. We spin a thou, we wow, look how rowdy we are. I feel like $1 million. Feel me holler to the max with the Benz and chrome wheel and polish. Thugs and menace to the players and ballers. Sexy mamas, fly ladies, looking proper. Look good enough to be taken shopping. Earrings, bracelets, now you rocking. Your body's so nice that I give you this option. Let you wear my big chain if we get it poppin'.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something.
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40 acres to blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Shorty, say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you
Yeah, owe me back like you owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent. Pay me back when you shake it again.
shackles on your feet. I think you owe me some.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Next to me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay next to me. You don't have to venture all the way next to me.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, you guys, I am working with YGwigs. Today I am reviewing a 13x4 24-inch pre-highlighted lace front unit, you guys, and this is a real HD lace wig. I absolutely love the lace on this wig. I'm so happy that is the real thing because a lot of companies say that they have HD lace and then it's not HD. So I thought it would be cute to put this hair up in like 2 ponytails. I did 2 ponytails recently and I really liked it, but I didn't wear it how like I wanted to wear it. I wore it in like 2 buns at the top, which was really cute, don't get me wrong, but I did also want to wear the hair like down, like regular ponytails. So this was my opportunity to do it. So I want to say that the density on this one is 150% density. It's nothing too full, but the thing that I love about it though, even though it's not like a really thick wig, because of the curl pattern, it's gonna make it look a lot fuller than what it actually is. The other thing that I do want to point out about this unit was the fact that this unit actually came pre-plucked. Yes, they plucked it for me. I didn't do any plucking to this wig. And y'all see what my edges are giving. Okay, no plucking was done to this hair, not at all. I did not put a pair of tweezers to this wig, and y'all know me, I am very honest. And it also had like these little hairs in the front that were like really short. I did show you guys what those were, and those hairs covered up the entire perimeter, so it made it really easy to do like my baby hairs today, and I didn't have to pluck it because that was the part that was actually pre-plucked. The only thing that I had to do today was bleach the knots. As far as the inches on this unit, I honestly don't know how long this unit is. I don't feel like it's a 24-inch because this is like pretty short. If it is a 24-inch, it's definitely giving like 22, even if it is Jerry curly texture, because I know somebody will say, oh, but it's curly hair, so maybe it's shorter because of that. I don't think so. I think this is probably like a good 22-inch. But yeah, and then as far as the look today, you guys can't even see the full look, but I'm actually wearing like this denim 2-piece skirt set. So the bottom is like a schoolgirl type of vibe, and then the top portion is like this crop denim jacket. So you guys can see, this is the crop denim jacket. I've worn this before on my channel, and I actually purchased this from another YouTuber, Shop Glamazante. I purchased this about maybe like a year or so ago, so I don't really know if she still has this anymore, but that is where I purchased this little cute 2-piece set from. Y'all, you see the skirt? So cute. So I got the skirt and this, and then the little 2 ponytails. So it's just like a vibe, you know, it's like giving schoolgirl vibe. And listen, when you try this look out for yourself and you're trying to do the zigzag part, just understand it can be difficult, okay? It can be kind of hard and tricky the first few times, but you will get it. One thing that I also want to point out about the fact that they did pre-pluck this unit is how good my edges look. Like they look so natural. And like even the parts right here that don't have like any lace or anything, like maybe right here it's lifting a little, but for the most part, like my hair looks so natural and I love that. Can we get into it? Can we talk about it? Like that's the real focus of this video is the lace. Yeah, it just looks really natural. You know what I'm saying? Like I really like this lace, and I can say that this is real HD lace. So if you guys wondering like, is it real though? Cause y'all know people be lying. Yes, it's real HD lace, y'all. Look at my hair. Melted, okay? So that means like even if you're not somebody who knows how to melt your lace like that, when you have HD lace, it's going to melt. It's just what HD lace does. So it's going to look good with makeup, without makeup. That's the other thing I didn't point out. I didn't put any makeup on my lace. I just applied this unit. And you guys know as of lately, I did start adding makeup to my lace again. But today I did not do that. And y'all see what we are giving, okay? So shout out to YGwigs. If you have not tried YGwigs, you definitely need to hop on it. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all of the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, make sure you drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, YGwigs, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for stopping by on my channel to show me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.